56, 57, 58, 59. Ooh, it's 8 o'clock already. He should have been here minutes ago. I hope he isn't that late.
Good morning, sir. Sorry for the delay. One construction side by construction side.
Oh, don't worry about that, Edward. You're only a few minutes behind schedule. Is everything all right? You look worried.
Yes, but no, it's only with all these repairs lately and the 3 new diesels coming to the island.
Oh, Edward, you haven't even met them yet. Remember what they always say, don't judge a book by its cover.
That's correct, sir, but I'm always thinking of our late visitors. You know, the close shave incident, for example?
I understand your worries, and yes, there were quite some issues with the diesels in the past. But that's why I called Mr. Conductor here, to keep these diesels in order in case anything happens. You'll manage fine, I promise you, Edward.
I hope you are right with that, sir.
I believe that most folks, like yourselves, understand that on a train journey, great adventure may be waiting right around the corner. This is a story about trains, folks who are far apart, and a magic railroad that brought them together as they were meant to be. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas. He's our number 1 hero. And this is where he and his friends live, the island of Sodor. There is no place like it, and you're about to find out why.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How do we appreciate practicing your numbers, Gordon? That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are, little Thomas. Tell me, what does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. The sign also says, sorry for delays during repairs. We're making this a better railway. Sign, head of the railway, Sir Topham Hatt. Now, please excuse me, I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt and his wife take a very important, much-needed holiday on the mainland.
Pah! If you ask me, I think we can take care of ourselves.
Get out of my way, you blue puffballs! You'll never make this a better railway! I will! It'll be better for me!
Wheels and pistons? What was that?
That is a problem. Just arrived today with 2 other diesels. I call this one Diesel 10. 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and brutal strength. Sir Topham Hatt sent him to help us, but he's not behaving like this. I think he's really scary, and we'll all need to be careful.
If you ask me, really useful engines like us have to be brave. But maybe we do need Mr. Conductor here after all.